Happy birthday, honey.
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, look at all these. Oh, look at all those presents from all those people. All your family and friends have got you presents.
Leave that on, darling. I'm going to show you how to use that. Do you want to open some presents?
Whoa.
Some presents, me.
I'll help you. I'll certainly help if you want me to. Get the edges. Try to find the edges. Oh, goodness me, it's hard. There you go. Oh, goodness me, it's back off. Don't worry, chicken. Just put it on the floor. It'll be okay. Don't worry about it. Oh, it's a bad cough. What's your first?
It's going to be really fun.
What's your first present, I wonder?
What is it?
It's a time.
That's our watch for Hayden.
To open my watch.
Cool.
Look how big I am now.
I don't know, you're like 50 foot.
I think you must have grown last night. Is it on?
Yeah, because that's not on one at 10 pounds a time.
It sure can be, really.
It's big.
No. Come here, love.
That's right, good boy.
Okay.
Whoa.
Hayden,
More presents, chicken.
go on, you take another present, darling.
Oh, didn't I do the pink one?
I'll show you. The lid comes off, and then the special paint pen. I'll get you some paper later so you can do some painting. Look, Hayden.
Cool. Open your mouth, please, when you're coughing.
It's not on there, darling. There's no paper on there yet.
There is.
It's not.
You need to get you some paper.
There is.
I'll do some. Thank you. Come on, we'll get you some paper, Ashley. Get you some more presents.
What's next? These are all those cards from. Is that one from?
That's mine.
They are.
That's my one.
They are yours.
That's my one.
They are yours.
Look at this one, Mummy. This is a really big one.
Wow.
Ooh. What else? Next present. Next.
Whoa.
Sit down.
Oh, it's a heavy one, isn't it?
That's really heavy. Now let's try and open it. Mom. Oh look, I'm behind a biscuit. I'm like a biscuit thing on me.
Oh, who's that?
That's Nemo. Is that Nemo?
No.
Oh.
That's wasn't Woody.
Oh, what's inside it?
A big boy breakfast set.
Cool.
Wow, that. Oh, this is a big cup. That's a little cup.
This is
What's that?
an egg cup. What's for having everything?
Mom, I want eggs. Mom, can you just get me an egg?
Yeah, I'll do that with the present. And you got a special tea.
What did it say? Hey.
It's up to the present.
Okay. I'm going to take it off.
Can't it? Mom, look at this present. Mom, do you want to help me open it?
Open it up.
Well, big boys rip. Roar. Just paper, go on. Good. Bingo. Oh, what's this, I wonder? Oh, fancy.
Ooh. Oh, wow, look. It's a new coat. That is super smart. Have a look. Hayden,
Wow.
do you like it? Whoa.
Show me.
Cool, man.
Whoa, that looks nice. That's like a nice summer coat.
Snazzy. Don't add.
Snazzy.
Oh.
Mom, this is hurt me. This is hurt my...
Alright, come here, baby. I want to do
This
it
is
a
hurt
little
my
bit.
hand.
I'll do it.
Oh. Look at all those presents. Got loads to do yet.
So all those presents already closed.
Is that better? Anything loose?
Bit more loose.
It's okay.
I'll take it off for now and make a new present.
Okay.
How's that sound?
That's okay. That's okay.
Go on, you get some more presents.
Hey!
What's this for?
Look at what... Hey, what did you buy this present?
Oh, let's have a look.
What shape is that? What is it? What shape is it?
Oval.
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oval, sir.
Oval top. Oh, it's up here. It's better for you up here.
Hey, what's this? What's this one here? Huh? Whoa, what's that?
It's a space set. Glow in the dark space. You and Daddy can build that together.
Daddy, look!
Cool.
This is a space dot.
It is. It's glow in the dark, so you put it on the roof of your room, and then they hang down, and at night time, I think it's because you have no light in your room at the moment. I'm not sure how they're going to glow. But we'll sort it out.
Daddy, we can Daddy.
Well, what's next then?
You pick a present with me.
Maybe the silver one. Let's put the silver one. Okay. Go then.
Opening nicely. Oh, that sounds like a rattly one.
What's inside it?
Maybe.
So if you take it, say that how rattly it is.
Oh, it's rattly. Right, pull that there.
Rattly. Whoa.
Maya.
Cheese, Mommy. It's a Gruffalo puzzle.
Gruffalo puzzle.
Those pieces.
They're nice and big.
Cool.
Mom, you put it back in because I don't like the Gruffalo rice.
Oh, okay.
It's too orange.
You get a different piece out. There you go. There's a mouse.
We can play it later, can't we?
What? Because we can have a look at this little really nice. This one's here.
That one.
That's a really tiny one.
Wonder what it's inside this one.
Really?
It's a surprise inside. Maybe some cheese.
No.
Oh.
I don't think it's a flat. I think it's a fruit. I think there's an aeroplane in here.
Is there? It's a bit small for an airplane. Yeah, it's open now. Look inside it.
What?
Oh,
Wow, look at this, Daddy.
what is it? What's it say on the front? The Very Hungry Caterpillar card game. That's like your book, isn't it? The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
A new flashcard.
Hayden likes flashcards.
Ooh.
He likes to learn.
They're like my other ones.
They are.
Next.
You pick one, you pick one. Ew.
Oh, that's me.
Well, look at this one.
Cool.
Look at this one.
Alright, which one are you going to open there? Okay, ready? Rip!
Mom,
Oh,
I
what's
don't
that
know what
bit?
it tastes like.
Oh, I don't know, it shakes like a present.
Shakes like a present.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oops.
Oh,
Look at these new books, Teddy.
God. Starting to rise. Whoa.
Open your mouth and coffin, please. Open your mouth.
Lovely. Look. Ready?
Wow.
Stories for
I'm going to
3-year-olds. Here you go. Do that one.
Put the paper down, honey.
You isn't it?
It's your present, chicken.
No,
Put the paper down, honey.
Okay. Oh, get in there. Give it a good rip.
Go on, roar, make it nice and strong. Roar. Now we're talking. Who's that?
Oh, who's that I can see?
No.
Whoa. Who is it? Who's it? Can you show Mummy it?
Sonny Lola.
Turn it around, show Mama. Lift it up a little bit.
Pinch your chest like this.
Big smile.
Put your chest.
Hold it down a bit so I can see your face as well. And now give me a smile. Smile.
Yeah.
I am.
Inside this is special.
Why?
They have got colouring and stitches.
Colouring. Mom, what's this bit?
They're all got colouring. And this one is for drawing and painting.
Cool.
You're not painting.
Cool beans.
Well, look. Mom, do you want to...
Plastic, isn't it? Plastic, isn't it?
No.
Right.
Oh, okay, I think you should pick the football one. At the front. Whoa.
You know, Vinny.
You can do it together if you want to. Oh,
Big tired.
You're stronger than me.
Big.
Oh. Oh.
Mom, you got to...
Oh. Oh, what's that?
It's a baby.
Oh, open it out. Let's have a look.
Show Mummy. Turn it round.
Wow.
That's a a nice
Smile.
shirt.
Smile.
Hold it up.
This way. That's it. Gorgeous.